Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Greg Gumbel. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to our planet. As North America looks to break its dependency on foreign oil, people are looking for new ways to fuel the future. Let's take a closer look at the latest in alternative energy.
Energy is the lifeblood of our global economy and of the way we live our lives. But we're running out of energy in its traditional forms. More to the point, we're running out of cheap oil. Gas prices are soaring. Blood is being shed over dwindling oil supplies.
This is the golden era for alternative energy, especially biofuels. In fact, the world is going through an epic energy transition. Biofuels will be one of the main sources of energy that makes up that shortfall. For more than a century now, the world has depended on oil as the sole energy source for transportation, to fuel new growth and sustain our way of life. We can no longer afford that luxury.
BioStreet Canada and Trimark Engineering have teamed up to create one of the largest biodiesel refineries in North America, integrating sustainable business concepts including locally produced feedstock, energy-efficient design, and renewable energy integration. Their flagship project, the BioStreet Canada Biodiesel facility located in Vegreville, Alberta, will produce 225 million liters, nearly 50 million U.S. gallons of biodiesel annually by 2010.
BioStreet Canada fosters sustainability through a proper holistic approach to minimize the carbon footprint of its process and operation. The emphasis on sustainable design distinguishes BioStreet from any other facility. The technologies that Trimark Engineering will integrate include heat recovery and solar, wind, and geothermal energy. The attention to and the selection of so-called LEED certified construction materials and methods further enhances sustainability. This unique amalgamation of producing a renewable fuel and application of sustainable design technologies and methods places BioStreet Canada at the forefront of the continent's sustainable energy future.
Look for second and third generation biofuels. These are new technologies that will drive an even greater use of biofuels with improved economic and environmental impacts. While biofuels won't immediately reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, they're a positive first step. In the United States and Europe, the biofuel industry is well established. In Canada, it's just developing. And we've seen a lot of interest in biofuels and other renewable energy initiatives. In the past year, Trimark Engineering has supported over 20 initiatives for private sector clients, industry organizations, and government. Our climate is in crisis, and it's essential that industry and governments work together to lead the innovation and public education necessary to support the acceptance and increased use of biofuels.
Many biofuels, such as biodiesel, have emerged as an economically feasible and environmentally friendly alternative to oil, with much less impact on our environment.
Making biofuels the scapegoat for high food prices isn't completely justified either. In fact, food prices are rising for the same reason as oil prices, rapidly increasing demand. The use of land to grow crops for biofuels may play a role in rising food prices, but the size of that role is questionable. How much of that increase is due to the skyrocketing price of oil, surging global demand for grain and wheat in China and India, hedge fund speculation on commodity markets, severe drought or flooding conditions, and the weak dollar?
To learn more about this story, visit BioStreet Canada at biostreetcanada.com and Trimark Engineering at trimarkeng.com.